Hello everyone, my name is Naysa from Indonesia and currently I'm 11 years old. And today I'm going to share with the project that I made for Codeavour 7.0. For my project team, I chose Tech for Wellness, Equity for All, which is aligned with SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, and also SDG 10 to reduce inequalities. In my neighborhood, there are 80 houses and a quarter of them are elderly residents living alone or left alone with their families' work. I remember Grandma Francisca's story. She once fell and couldn't move towards her phone. She could only wait helplessly for someone to pass by. This incident made me think, what if no one had passed by? What if they needed help with other things, like changing a light bulb, dealing with a gas stove, or facing a stranger? They must be so scared. The problem is, our neighborhood doesn't have a system to call for help quickly. I was inspired by call buttons in hospitals, but that system uses cable, has a short range, and the buttons are mounted on the wall. They can't be carried around. So, I built WCU, Wearable Cloud Unity, a bracelet with one button. When pressed, security will get an instant notification. I started making a proof of concept using ESP32 and the in and out button. For the cloud, I use MockAPI, and for coding, I use PictoBlox. When the button is pressed, it will show the host location and turn on the alarm sound and the security test. Long press to finish the request. To become a bracelet, at least we need a battery. And of course, this ESP32. But this is too big to become a bracelet, right? I tried using a smartwatch, T-Watch, that is supported by PictoBlox, but the battery drained quickly and a touchscreen gets pressed accidentally. Then, I tried taking apart a wireless pager bracelet available in the market. The shape was good, but the range was only 20 meters. Finally, I asked an electronics expert, can the PCB inside this bracelet be replaced with the ESP32 like the one I tested before? It turned out we could! And this is the result. This emergency bracelet is comfortable, waterproof, and just requires pressing a single button. The notification immediately appears on the digital map showing the host location. Long press when it is done. With this innovation, I believe that when a community truly sees and cares for one another, no one has to face emergencies alone. WCU, we see you and we're here for you. I want to keep improving this project. I want to learn how to make the battery last for years on a single charge. And I also want to learn to build a website and make it accessible to all residents. For this, I need help, support, and feedback. Thank you. I'm Naysa.